Back. We gotta film this. Turn that on. Oh, it's this too. If y'all like videos like this, well, we're playing this is fs20. So, yep. Well, I'm just going straight, so. Yep. If y'all like videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, not comment. Turn on post notifications if y'all like videos like this. Videos like this. And if y'all want more content like this, subscribe. And I will make more content like this. So, yeah. You must get a full tank, half full. That never gets full on that side. Don't know why, but it does that. So yeah. Then this is a nice gun deal. It's a lot, too. So. So yeah. The way I done this, I wanted a gun deal. That's the only thing I like. You start with, let me skip that. Start with this. But now I got the last one. I got this, then that. I done home. Yeah, so the thing done now. Do this and wide. Back to it. If I miss any, I'll go back. Right, let's hope you're done. You got a little more going over there. So yeah. I can go back and do that in a second after I get into this. If y'all want me to, I do not want to hit that because this is help and takes money. I like doing everything by myself. If I want to, I'll do it. And the next one, if y'all comment, hit the button, I'll go. This is a big handle too. Yeah, it's halfway full. Soybean. Yeah, it's buddy seat and everything. But this game's not much to play. I hope in the future updates they make this multiplayer. Cause then I can play with y'all and friends. And a lot of my friends, so yeah. I don't want to leave on fs20. But you can't get out and there's no guns in them. So yeah. Oh, skip most of it. Right back up here. me just. So cows. No cup. No stop. Sorry for those noises. My mom's yelling at somebody. Just don't listen to that. Oh yeah, like let's try that. Look at that one. We got that too. So. Which it depends about to get close because of that hill too. So yeah, you go jump back in this. What I do? This has been going on for 7. Oh wow, so you've been doing this for a while. So. I don't know, but this. Let me just this over here. I might just get that a little bit going here. We can do a transfer. Let me just hit that. So. I literally had that. We gotta do next Saturday. A lot of other stuff. Can't finish. So. Let me just put this on you. I'm pretty sure y'all want me to use that. Not that one. We could go get a case or something. Contract. I got that one. I don't know what they're talking about babies in there, but we also got pigs in the game. This is a nice tractor level. We got them both on tracks. I'm gonna hit nothing now. The back moves. I think I might end it here. But I don't know if this is full. So I'm gonna go do it. I know I could switch, but that just takes a long time. You have to hit that and it's halfway full. It's just slow to do that a little bit. Because I can get that done. So it's just going full on halfway full. So that's just every day video.